How to fix Google Chrome not opening or not working in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Google Chrome not opening or not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if Google Chrome won't open or isn't working on Windows 10 or 11, the issue is usually caused by corrupted settings, extensions, or conflict with antivirus or firewall. So first, go ahead and check your task manager, and to do that, you need to click on Control Shift and Escape on your keyboard to be able to summon the task manager. Now on the task manager, look for chrome.exe from the processes, and then end all Chrome tasks, and then try reopening Chrome. So to be able to end all Chrome tasks, you need to right click on it and then click on this end task button. Now after that, clear Chrome user data. So click on WinR on your keyboard, and then on the run section, go ahead and enter local app data, Google slash Chrome slash user data. Rename the folder default to default.old and restart Chrome. And lastly is to disable your antivirus or firewall temporarily. So some software blocks Chrome, turn off antivirus or firewall briefly and test Chrome. If it works, add Chrome as an exception. And that is how you can basically fix Google Chrome not opening or not working in Windows 10 or 11.